Today I'm reviewing the Purito From Green Deep Foaming Cleanser. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the Amazon link below. Okay, so I'm going to announce that this little guy is for my Patreon friend, Sandy. This little guy, he's so cute. They're all so cute. I don't know. I had a hard time. I wanted to buy them all, so. Okay, so Purito came out with a few new products. They've got their Centella toner, unscented, which I've been trying out, and then their cleanser. And they mention that this cleanser has a pH level of 5.5. It's a cleanser that keeps your skin moist after cleansing. It's for daytime and nighttime use and suitable for all skin types. Rich and microfoam, removes dirt and residue inside pores and strengthens the skin barrier with Centella extract to keep your skin healthy. Does not contain chemical surfactants such as SLS, SLES, but planted natural surfactants derived from coconut to nurture skin. Effectively removes makeup and residue inside pores. I'm not exactly certain a cleanser can really totally go inside your pores, but whatever. I'll just let them talk about it. It also contains 20 essential ingredients necessary for all skin types, including sensitive skin, such as Centella and green tea extract. Okay, so let me go to my first criteria, which is packaging, and they package it in a squeeze tube, which is very nice. And you know what I really dislike for cleansers? Ones that have a top that screw off. It's so annoying, especially when you're in the shower. So you have to unscrew something, pour it into your hand, put it back on, and you're all wet. So I like the fact they used a top like this. Little things matter, okay? It's the small things sometimes. Because those screw-off tubes are annoying. And I always drop them, and then it's just a big mess. So, and then I never use it again. Okay, in terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this do not contain any of those. So that's always a good thing, especially for sensitive or dry types of skin. And then in terms of fragrance, this doesn't have any fragrance ingredients or really any noticeable scent. So that's always also a good thing. Although with cleansers, most of it goes right down the drain. So if there is a little bit of fragrance or a little bit of alcohol, it's typically not as big of a deal because it's something that goes down the drain, which is also why antioxidants in cleansers also aren't as big of a deal. But you know what? I'd rather have them than not. So I'm all about the antioxidants. Give it to me anytime. I'll use them. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues at all with that one. Then in terms of ease of use, this is a really nice cleanser. I've used this particularly, typically I shower at night, so I wash my face in the shower, which means cleansing balms, cleansing oils. My face is typically wet, so I can't really use them when I'm in the shower to remove my makeup as a first step because my face is always wet and those need to be applied to dry skin. So a lot of times when I'm in the shower, I just like a one-step cleanse, and this one does a good job of removing makeup, sunscreen, foundation, mascara, things like that. It does a great job removing all of that, so I don't necessarily feel like I need to have a first-step cleanser with this one. It's a great all-in-one cleanser. Rinses off really nicely without leaving your skin dry or tight or any residue feeling. Some of them have that feeling afterwards. This one doesn't have that. And then the pH of this one is 5.5, which is pretty close to the skin's natural pH, for which kind of differs from person to person, but seems to be typically around 5.5. So very nice, very easy to use, no issues at all with that. Then we get to antioxidants, and like I said, most of it's going to go down the drain, but overall, they did do a good job including some nice antioxidants in here. Like I mentioned before, it doesn't contain SLS or SLES, which for cleansers, those can be very drying and sometimes very irritating for skin. So for this one, obviously, we've got Centella Asiatica extract, which is in a lot of Purito's From Green product line, which is very good for skin soothing, skin calming, and it's also a good antioxidant. Then we've got green tea extract, another good antioxidant with skin soothing and hydrating properties. Licorice root extract, great for brightening the skin. Licorice root, you'll see that in so many products. It's really great for skin because it's a brightening ingredient as well as an antioxidant. and also is hydrating. Then we've got Agrimonia Eupatoria extract, which is a plant or extract that has astringent effects as well as possible antioxidant effects for skin. Then we've got Houttuynia cordata extract. I remember cordata from, what was it, like Earth Sciences in like 5th grade or something. Cordata, that was like, I don't know, that was what we were looking for in like the fossil hunt or whatever we did. Cordata, whatever, I don't know, don't listen to me. I just remember cordata made me think of 5th grade science. Okay. Which is a good antioxidant. It's also a good skin-soothing ingredient, and it's used in Chinese medicine because it's a source of flavonoids and quercetin. Then we've got Perilla fructes leaf extract, another Chinese medicine herb, which has anti-inflammatory, skin-soothing, and antioxidant properties. So, I like it. You know what? If you're going to make a product, you might as well put good stuff into it. Even if it's going to go down the drain, the minute it's on skin, might as well have something good going for it, right? Okay, then we come to animal testing, and this is cruelty-free as well as vegan. It sounds like Purito is trying to go totally vegan with all their products over the next few months, so that's kind of exciting. Performance, like I mentioned before, does a great job removing makeup. Sunscreen works well as a one-step, one-fits-all cleanser, which doesn't leave skin feeling dry. Does contain a few acneogenic ingredients, which is sodium, Cocoyl, Isethionate, and then sodium methyl Cocoate, and then butylene glycol. So just be aware, although those also get rinsed down the drain, so probably not also as big of a concern. Then we get to price, and this is a full size, which is just a touch over 5 ounces, 150 milliliters, $15 retail, although if you shop around at all those Yes Style Korean, it's going to be on sale all the time somewhere. So do a little bit of research, which then if you pay retail price, it's 10 cents a milliliter, which is a really good deal. And then finally, the It Factor. I really like it. It's a great all-around cleanser. I've got dry sensitive skin. It works great for me. I've heard from those with oilier skin. They enjoy it. Sensitive skin, great because it has no fragrance, no alcohol, super affordable, cruelty-free, effective, full of good ingredients. And Purito has not disappointed me at all lately. I'm very happy with them. So, overall, out of 10 being perfect, this one got a 10. Purito's doing a good job. They're quickly becoming a favorite brand of mine. I especially love that their products are affordable. I mean, might as well save some money, especially on a cleanser. I don't know. I think cleansers you spend the least on, spend the most on a sunscreen. That's my theory, but everyone's different. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this out, and if you have what your thoughts are on it. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.